How to activate Starlink account. Now, there's actually two things that you can do. It's either if you're going to be using your favorite browser on your mobile device, or you're either downloading the Starlink application. And what you need from here is just simply open up your physical box that you have from Starlink and have your serial number from the physical router itself ready. Now, on your browser, just simply type in activate Starlink and should be the very first result. Now tap on Activate Starlink, and of course, you will be redirected to activation page of your Starlink router. So as you can see, there is an image or an example where you can get your serial number or your kit number. Just have it input below this box right here. Make sure that if the serial number is showing his capital letters on the physical box, then it has to be accurate on what you're typing right here. And once everything is filled out, just simply choose on new account or existing account. And then on the next page, you will have just to press on activate. That's it. It's how you activate Starlink account.